Dear student, welcome to my YouTube channel Science Vision with Bhandekar sir, and please subscribe my channel to watch the videos and learn the total syllabus of science of 10th class CBSE. Here bending of refracted ray is a very important topic here. That is what is refraction of light. We study the definition of refraction of light and meaning of refraction of light. Here, when light change the direction when it passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium and is called refraction of light. And here that is a refraction of light takes place when it passes from rarer medium to denser medium or denser medium to rarer medium. Here light can passes from one medium to another medium, or speed of light is different in different medium because of a position of particle is different in different medium. In solid medium, that position of particle is close there, it is the thick medium, hence speed of light is less. In liquid, that particles are so away as compared to solid, hence speed of light is greater in liquid as compared to solid. But here in gas, a speed of light is high. In air, speed of light is greater there, because that particles are very away from each other in gas and more space is available for traveling of light through that particular medium. Hence here that is a speed of light is different in different medium, and here due to a change in speed of light in different medium, their refractive index of different mediums are also the different. Means here there is bending of light ray. First possibility here, look, that is first possibility. For example, here a two medium, that is one glass. Here medium is glass and here a medium is air. Look, that is a glass slab A, B, C and D, and here we draw the normal here, that m dash is normal, and when light obliquely strike to the side AB on the glass slab in this way, light ray travels through the air and it obliquely strike to the glass slab in this way, then here that air is said to be the rarer medium and glass is said to be the denser medium. What is rarer and denser? Rarer means it is the thin medium. Particles are very away from each other. Hence that air is called a rarer medium. Denser means particles are very close to each other. It is the thick medium. Hence it is called denser medium. When light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, for example, PQ is the light ray and it passes from air to glass and it enters the glass at point Q, then that refracted ray bends towards normal. QR is a refracted ray. This refracted ray bends towards normal. When light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, then refracted ray bends towards normal. That is the first possibility and first point here. Means in this way, when light ray passes from rarer medium to denser medium, then refracted ray bends towards normal. Refracted ray bends towards normal. When it passes from air to the glass, refracted ray bends towards normal. That is the first possibility. Then here second possibility, which is the second possibility here, to be understand carefully. Here that is a glass slab a rectangular glass slab, and here light passes through the glass slab in this way. PQ is the light ray which can passes through the glass, and here glass is denser medium, and here below it is the air, and that is rarer medium. We draw the normal at point Q. M dash is normal. When light passes from denser medium to rarer medium, then refracted ray bends away from normal. In this way, PQ is the light ray which can passes through glass, and it enters the air again at point Q. It bends away from the normal. Look towards this QR and here a ray QR. What is the difference between these two rays? When light passes from air to glass, refracted ray bends towards normal because speed of light is less in glass. Here when light passes from glass to air, then refracted ray bends away from normal. That is the second possibility. When light ray passes from denser medium to rarer, then refracted ray bends away from normal. Refracted ray bends away from normal. That is the second possibility. Then look here, third possibility. That is a glass slab in this way, and here light rays strike a straight, a perpendicular. PQ is the light ray which can strike straight to the glass slab ABCD. We can strike straight to the glass ABCD, and here it passes straight also, refracted ray also straight. It not bends there. When light strikes straight from one medium to another medium, then no diffraction of light. When it obliquely incidents from one medium to another medium, it obliquely travels from one medium to another medium, then it should be bends, it should be refracted. If it passes straight from one medium to another medium, it not just refracted. Means in this way, here when light passes from one medium to another a straight, when light ray passes straight from one medium to another, then it passes straight. No change the direction. There is no change in direction. Means in this way, here these three possibilities are there, and these three possibilities are very important to know and understand what is the refraction of light, and that is the topic of refraction of light through the glass slab. Dear student, we study that is refraction of light through the glass, then definition of refraction of light through the glass slab, then laws of refraction, then what is refractive index, formula to calculate the refractive index, and these three possibilities are there about bending of refracted rays. Thank you.